Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can fix a common problem when using PyCharm in Python, right? So a lot of people have been asking in social media, why do the PyCharm editor start with bracket VMV? This is actually a virtual environment, right? This means that back in the days you created an virtual environment named VM. So to get out of this problem is just to type a simple command, which is deactivate, right? So here I type deactivate. Then after I press enter, right now you can see I'm back in a normal path of a PyCharm, right? So whenever you get this problem, means that you have a virtual environment, and a simple way to get out of this problem is to type deactivate, right? So actually that is an end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, share and subscribe for the next video update. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.